Just a few days ago, AnimateDiff announced a major update on its GitHub page, Animate LCM, signifying official support for LCM. As the name suggests, it allows using LCM sampling methods to generate videos. In the subsequent description, it even clearly explains how to fill in parameters. Simply use appropriate LCM LoRa, select the LCM sampler _name and K-sampler nodes, adjust CFG to approximately 1.0 to 2.0, and set the steps to a minimum of 4. In previous versions, I tried using LCM in the AnimateDiff workflow. Although it was fast, the generated quality was bad, so I didn't share it with anyone. But now, with official support announced, will the quality of videos generated using this feature be different? Let's try it out. First, visit the Animate LCM GitHub page here. There's a demo video and 2 links below it. One is the project page, and the other is the Hugging Face demo. Let's start with the project page, where several animated images generated in just 4 steps are displayed at the top, showing promising results. Next is the theoretical foundation section, explaining how they trained the model to generate high-fidelity videos in minimal steps. These are various styles of animated images generated based on prompts: realistic style, anime style, cartoon 3D style, and image-to-video generation similar to SVD. Both characters and scenery exhibit impressive results. There's also a controllable video with ControlNet integration. Lastly, we observe that although a basic video can be generated with an NFE of 2, increasing it to 4, 8, and 12 gradually enhances the details and improves the overall effect. Talking is cheap, let's try it. Open the Hugging Face demo, an official experiential workflow. This workflow is simple, with only 3 large models built in for selection. Let's keep the default selection and parameters unchanged and directly click Generate to see the results. Soon, we get a 0.2-second video, which plays quite well. Let's try another cartoon model. I must say, the video quality is still satisfactory, and the generation speed is indeed fast. So, how do we use the latest Animate LCM in the local ComfyUI? It's very easy, just follow my steps. Go back to the AnimateDiff plugin page, where we can upgrade our AnimateDiff plugin. Download the latest compressed file from the page and unzip to the custom nodes in your ComfyUI folder. Make sure the AnimateDiff models and LoRa could be found. Of course, you can upgrade it in the ComfyUI manager too. Once upgraded, proceed to the ComfyUI Animate LCM page. Where detailed instructions are provided. We need to download the 2 files mentioned. Click the provided Hugging Face link to download them directly. After downloading, remember to place them in their corresponding folders. The author has provided multiple workflows for reference. Interested users can try them one by one. Before trying, ensure that these 3 plugins are installed. Here, we need to install the LCM Custom Sampler plugin. I'll download it now. Its installation is straightforward, just unzip the compressed package to the custom nodes folder. Once everything is set, restart ComfyUI and let's get practical. This is a workflow provided by the author, which utilizes the LCM Custom Sampler plugin. After upgrading the AnimateDiff plugin, some nodes have changed. Many version 2 nodes have been added. The plugin author provides detailed explanations, mainly about separating the model loading function, allowing evolutionary sampling without using motion models, and supporting multiple motion models. In this workflow, besides paying attention to the changes in the loading nodes, we should also choose the checkpoint we just downloaded for the loaded AnimateDiff model. This one is different. The checkpoint here is a regular large model. You can choose your favorite. The LoRa model should be an LCM LoRa, either the one just downloaded or a previous version you have. The difference is not significant. Sampler Custom is a personalized sampler built into ComfyUI, which we also used when experiencing Turbo before. LCM Scheduler and Sampler LCM Cycle are included in the new plugins we downloaded. They significantly improve the image generation quality by mixing different sampling methods. Let's talk about their parameter settings. Euler_steps and LCM_steps in Sampler LCM Cycle represent the number of steps using Euler and LCM samplers in a cycle, which you can adjust according to your generation situation. Tweak_sigmas and ancestral are more detailed, affecting the numerical values of noise during sampling. I'll keep them at the default settings for now. Steps in LCM Scheduler represent the total number of steps. Why is it not the default 4 for LCM here? Because, as we just mentioned, 2 samplers will be involved iteratively. When the total number of steps is set to 10, it will execute 6 steps of Euler and 4 steps of LCM in one cycle to achieve better image generation results. The batch size here is 120, meaning 120 images. If making an 8 frames per second video, the duration will be 15 seconds. Let's run now and see how it goes. I'll skip straight to the results here for you to see. The video is excellent. Whether it's the underwater background, lighting, clear facial features of the characters, or the flowing hair, you can't imagine they were generated using LCM. Guess how long it took to generate this 15-second 8 frames per second video? The background shows it only took 1 minute and 51 seconds to process these 120 images. This speed is simply like switching from a bicycle to a plane. Let me show you a video generated by LCM before. At that time, although the speed was fast, the characters always looked a bit yellowish, and the details were not clear enough, giving a sense of distortion. In contrast, with this video, you probably wouldn't notice it was generated using LCM if not mentioned. The quality is completely up to standard. Back to the workflow. Since it's so fast, let me try adding more frames. I'll adjust the batch size to 480, meaning a straight 1-minute video, to see how long it takes. Click Run. I'll start a timer and see. With recording and other programs running, it took less than 11 minutes to get this 1-minute video. In fact, without recording, this speed can be improved to 6 to 7 minutes. From my experience, I feel that Animate LCM maintains above passing grade video quality even at a very fast speed, providing significant assistance in video generation. I've always had many wild ideas about AI videos, but due to the previous speed of AnimateDiff, I often had to spend a whole night to practice once. Now, with this, I can't wait to try them out one by one. Alright, that's it for today's video. Happy Chinese New Year, everyone!